Hello, New School Beyblade here. Today I'm doing a unboxing of the WBBA exclusive Ace Ashura. So yeah, that's a cool one. The Retsu Ace Ashura. I got this for parts mainly. Definitely the Ashura, so I can make the actual combo. And I say with the Judgment Jokers and stuff like that. And it comes with 00, blue 00, meteor, and variable dash. Someone, you guys been asking for the variable dash, even though I didn't have it. So yeah, I have it now. Yeah, I'm happy about that. I'm probably going to be getting the Spriggan one. I'm probably going to get a few more of these WBBA exclusive stuff. For parts mainly, because I get the dash drivers. There we go. There we go. Let's go. And there's the stickers. No stickers, just parts. Okay. There's the 00 meter. And the main guy's right here. Okay. Damn tape. Oh god. Okay, let's get on to the decent parts. Okay. Another 00. Painted blue. That's a blue. Meteor. Older disc. And finally, the main thing why I got these is him. So yeah, Bushin, and also a variable dash. This is gonna. Oh god, no. Oh, that's a gorgeous color for variable. There it is. Oh, that's pretty strong. Oh god. Variable. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.